Hey y'all, my name is Brittany Davis. I played the ultimate prank on a nurse here at Camp Barnabas. I have fake eyeballs. I was born without eyes, so I have fake eyes. And we popped one of the eyes out. And we made it look as if I was in pain. And the nurse looked at it, and she saw an eyeball in the left eye and not in the right eye. So she freaked out. And she just went crazy. She went bonkers. She was like, oh my gosh, Brittany, we need to go see the doctor. And my CIA pulled the eye out of her jacket pocket. And she thought it was a real eye, but it was really just my fake eye.
That's awesome. That's an even better version of the story you told me. That's hilarious.
I dig it, Brittany. I dig it. It was pretty hilarious.